Visit the St. Mary's Community Public Library to make your own videos or presentations using VideoScribe thanks to a grant from the Federal Institute of Museum and Library Services awarded by the State Library of Ohio. There are many themes and templates to pick from: whiteboard explainer collages, scrapbook style templates, and stick-up themes. You can use this for your business and marketing, illustrations, education, and to share and grow your community. If you would like to learn how to use VideoScribe, you can make an appointment. Call 419-394-7471, and we will get you started using VideoScribe. You can save it as an AVI, a movie, or a WMV. You can upload your own MP3 audios, or you can use music from the template library. Okay, so come on in, and we hope you enjoy this new application at the library.